against supporters of Peter Obi,
No.
the obedience.
No.
I mean, and your comments on social media as being regarded as harsh against the obedient movement. Why so?
No, that's not true. The only time I've spoken about them is when I realized that they were harassing people, and as a person who believes in human rights, I just said to them, you don't have to tell people who to support and who not to support. And this idea of trolling and harassing people might get people killed. And one of my first intervention that is considered harsh was even in support of Reno Mockery, somebody who has done everything in this world to lie against me. But, when it comes to his fundamental rights and he has a 1-year-old daughter who he said was genuinely threatened, I came in and said, this is wrong. You shouldn't be threatening a 1-year-old girl. And nobody should be threatened because...
So you don't see Peter Obi as a threat?
No. Why would I see Peter Obi? Peter Obi is part of the old system that I've always fought. I understand where he's coming from. This is 1999 repeated. Nigeria wants to change. Some young people are genuinely interested in change, different direction. And then they are presented with somebody who works for the establishment. Somebody who has been in PDP, ABGA, come back to PDP, Labour Party. It's not new to a rotten system. Somebody who was 8 years as governor of a state. You can be emotional about it, but that's the truth. Didn't, build any schools, didn't build any industry, didn't have a power station. It's not my kind of progressive.
So anybody that is in government, as far as you're concerned,
anybody who's been in government for 8 years and has nothing to show for it, it's not my right candidate.
There are a few people who have been in government that are running in this race. The candidate of the PDP is there, the candidate of the APC is
Maybe
there.
you have not been following my social media postings. That's why you said maybe I'm against obedience. I've been after Atiku. I've been after Emilokon, Bola Tinubu. I've been after Kwakwanso, but less because, I don't have much.
Why do you go after them?
I go after them because we need engagement in elections. Elections are not just about espousing ideas. It's about telling people who they can vote for and who they shouldn't vote for.
Whose turn is it this time around?
Our turn. The people's turn. Our look on.
Àjíṣe bí Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan.